మీరు డబ్బింగ్ మీరే చెప్పారా?
నేనే అండి. నా అన్ని సినిమాస్ నేనే చెప్తానండి. ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ మై ఐ థింక్ మై ఫస్ట్ నేను శైలజ I didn't know. But other than that, I think all my films నేనే.
So how is your Telugu కొంచెం మూవీకి also it is improving కదా?
Yes,
linguistics.
I think so. Yes. And I think when ఇప్పుడు దసరా there was a different
dialect.
Mahanati was different. This was different. So I think, and in fact, I think I learned most of my Telugu while I was dubbing for Mahanati. So actually, you end up learning the language more properly when you're actually dubbing for the film. So because that is when you correct all your pronunciation, connotations, everything. So ala chustunappudu, I think from where I started, I think
yes,
definitely
because Mahanati is a pure Telugu kind of dubbing. You can't falter. In contemporary films you can have a slang and you can get away with it, but in Mahanati it need to be perfect.
Yes,
maybe
I took 11 days to dub that film.
Mahanati.
Yes.
ఈ ఫిల్మ్ కి ఎన్ని రోజులు తీసుకున్నారు
డబ్బింగ్ కా?
యా
ఎన్ని రోజులని?
5 days.
5 days, 5 6 days.
right.